Okay, guys, we're doing a little tutorial here. This is about the marketplace on Facebook. Okay, if you haven't gone to the marketplace on your phone, probably you can see the icon on top of your phone that it looks like a store. Okay, so I'm here on the marketplace using my laptop. So I'm gonna be switching first to the home page. Okay, from the laptop. And you have to type here on your laptop, you have to type here marketplace. Marketplace is uh, Facebook. Okay, this is also Facebook. Now, this is how marketplace looks like, but you can also access marketplace on the side of here. I hope you can see this pointer on the left side of your account, or on your cell phone, it's on the top here. So access marketplace, you have full access to marketplace. So I don't know if other countries has full access to marketplace. All right. So you got to check if you can find that little store on top of your website. If you can see it, then click it. Now I'll be doing a short tutorial with a laptop. All right. So you can buy, you can sell, okay? Buy and sell, browse all, notification, inbox. So you also need to upload here your credit card or whatever means of how to receive your payout from the marketplace. You have to click. I'm not going to show you that to you, but it's over here on the settings. Where's the settings? Okay, probably over there. This is a little different. I'm more comfortable on doing I'm browsing from my cell phone, but let us try here. So let's say I'm going to create a product over here on the marketplace. Let us click this, create new listing or create multiple listing. I'm going to show you one listing for now. So I'm going to click create new listing. So I'm still suggesting to others to buy a laptop, all right, because you're in the digital business. So please try to have a laptop, an iPad, and a cell phone. But for now, don't buy the iPad yet. You can have the cell phone and the laptop. Laptop is offering us a different system. Okay, it's totally different from your cell phone. So let's say I'm going to choose item for sale, create multiple listing, a vehicle, or a home for sale. This is for the realtor. This is for the car sales. Now we're going to do an item for sale. I have a listing before, but I deleted all my listing for this tutorial. So I'm going to click item for sale. So this is the free view. So now we're going to add a photo. Let's say, so here is the title over here, but I'm going to add one photo. And where will you get the photo? Of course, we are selling LiveGood. So I'm going to be trying to sell this skincare pack. So you need to be ready with the first page first. So you just right click this and save image. Okay, I already saved it. So make sure that if you're starting to do this, you have to create a folder, a LiveGood folder in your laptop. All right, guys. So let's say I'm gonna save this one, but I told you I already save it. So I click that. Once again, right click on your mouse and then save image as. And there's a title here. You can retain the title or you can change the title. I'm going to change. I'm going to delete the last part because I want it a skincare PNG. And I have here the Live Good file. So what you can do is on your download, right click on the empty space and create new folder and name it. Let's say I'm going to create one and name it Live Good Files. I already have here the folder, so I'm going to delete this one. All right. Right click, delete. because I already have here the skincare in this folder. So it's all here. I'm going to change the view so I can see the images. Okay. Now, what's next? Since I already have here the skincare set, I'm going to head back to the marketplace listing. I'm going to add a photo over here, and I'm going to look for downloads and leave good files. I'm going to click this to add to my listing and hit open over here. Let me reduce the size so you can see it well. So click open. So if you have a banner, you can also add here. I think I have given you some banner, promotional banner. So it's a better way to read what the skincare is all about. I think I have that on from our chat room, so you can also check it out from there again. And let me try to find it from my media from the chat room. And, I want to share it to you guys. Okay. So just in case, you have to prepare first and download everything from the chat room so you can add it here. All right. So there's one here. I'm going to download. Hold on, guys, because I want you to see how I download some files. Okay, my iPad has a low battery, so I downloaded it and I'll be sending it to myself to the chat room. So I'm gonna be opening another Facebook copy so I can have that image in my chat room. Okay, hold on, guys. I'm sending image to myself. All right. So I'm gonna, oops, click on the chat room. Let me close this other program from some of my clients. So I'm gonna head over to my chat over here. I'm gonna add this download from the chat from my chat. So I'm gonna add this to Live Good Files. Skincare banner. All right, so it's already there. I'm gonna go back to my listing. I'm gonna add additional photo over here. There you go. Open. All right, so there you have it. You can add more if you like. You can also add some video over here. I think I have a video, right, that I might be able to add here, but later on. This is just a sample. I just want to be quick with this. All right, so we have there. Now we're going to have a title. So we're going to copy this title. Then we're going to add a little Live Good, the Live Good company, and then paste. Right click your mouse and paste. We have the price. We're selling it at $49.95, but probably we need to give the retail price, which is $69.45. Let's try dollar. Let's try 69. Okay. Or 50 for the promo. Anyway, it's better to have 69. We cannot place a dot here. They're not accepting the second digit, the other digits. So just round it off. You can have 70 if you like, or probably 50 or 49. Right. And then choose the category for the beauty, wellness and beauty, health and beauty. Okay, health and beauty. And then, okay, health and beauty over here. Beauty. Okay, body, bath and body. Uh, Here, other bath and body. No, it's not bath and body. Maybe it's in the bath and body. No, it's not. It's under moisturizer, but it doesn't show there. So we're going to, let's say the makeup, makeup, makeup. It's not on the makeup. Let's just say skincare. That's right. A cleanse and toner. What else? No, not only that. Can we add more categories? I put a comma and let me try to type moisturizer if it will accept that. And skin serum. Let us see if that will be accepted. Okay, it's accepting it. You can type or you can get from the drop down arrow suggestions. Okay, condition, of course, new. And then the description. We're going to go ahead back again to our, okay. So, so, Live Good skincare pack, set of 4 in a pack. And then we can add the items, which includes the instant youth and then ageless. Okay, I hope you can see what I'm doing over here. I'm working on the left side. So number 1 and number 4. Oh no, 1, 2, 3, 4, VitaGlow. All right. Now we're gonna add a little bit more information. So we're going to the learn more, to the main page. This is very critical. The main page is very important. Okay. Include for high quality. Okay, that's it. I think this is a better one to copy and then place at the top of the over here. Let's change this one, highlight, and then replace. Paste that. All right. Now at the bottom, I want you to get this. Yeah, this is also more, but it's too long, guys. You don't want that, right? So you can also download this video if you want. So you can add this to the homepage, to the listing over here. This is
You
from
hear so much
Vimeo.
about leave
So
good,
from
but you know,
Vimeo, we
it's
can
just as important to
easily
think about what we
download
put on our bodies.
this
Did you know that
format.
skincare contains so
Okay.
many toxic
So you just
ingredients?
click
Things
that
parabens,
letter V, and
formaldehydes,
down here,
fragrances,
there
these
is a
toxic
download over
ingredients in your
here.
home.
All right.
These
So
toxic
you can
ingredients have
save
hundreds of
this on
chemicals
your
and contribute to the
computer.
toxic burden that we are always
Just do the
exposed to every day.
540.
So you need to be careful when
All
choosing a
right.
skincare line. Now at
There you
LiveGood, we
go.
formulated our
This
skincare line
skincare
along with
video,
European Union
and
standards.
it's on the
We
Live Good
eliminate or
files.
restrict
Save.
1,300 ingredients
I'm
in
going to
our
close
skincare,
this now.
and the US
And
sample
then I
only
will go
adheres when
to
it's
the main.
season. So I'm going to go through our skincare
Let us
line
close
and
this one. Okay, let's go here and add the video here. They allow that. So we're going to click this and a video exceeded 1 minute limit. Oh, okay. So we cannot add that one. I have to reduce the video. So let's do that. Let's do the video next time. More details, attract more interest by including more details, concern, anti-aging, product feature, uh, paraben perfume. We're not going to do this for now, okay? Because I have to pick a lot of things there, which we don't want to have the viewers go away. So ingredients, we cannot pick, I think, one or more. I will not include that for now. I just want to show you what's to be next. Okay, we're gonna go here on the blue button that says next. I click the next. And you can also list your product in a group. All right, like that if you want. Okay, I'm just going to place it inside our Global Income Builder team. I have other team. Let me try to browse a list in your group. I can't find my other group. I should have that too. All right. So now I'm going to publish. Let us not include the, I just want it on the marketplace, guys. Okay, publish. So I use the 49 because they cannot round off the thing. Or I might use the $50 because I already reach more buyer, boost your listing. You can promote now. Wow. So yeah, you can do the promotion as well from here, from your online account, guys. Okay. But right now, I just showed you how to create listing on the marketplace, and it's better that you try this as well. All right. Let me try. Okay. So, yes. So if you have questions, guys, please comment below and, try to attend the training. So, or watch one of our trainings so you can learn and pass it on to your members and motivate your members, guys. Okay. Your other members are sleeping right now. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is your coach Lola here in California. Now I have uh, item on the marketplace. God bless you. Good night. Bye bye.